Hello viewers, welcome to the SAKSHAM based process control series. In the previous module, we controlled the additive flow using manual valve operation. Now the juice is heated and must be cooled down while maintaining a consistent process flow. To achieve this, we will use a blower for cooling and a pump for maintaining flow. However, both devices have different control requirements. The blower operates at a fixed speed while the pump must continuously adjust its speed based on required flow. To handle this, we will use SAKSHAM VFD block along with the PID integration. Let's begin with the blower. We have already created a separate page for module 4. First, add a manual loader block. Drag a box from the toolbox and drop it into the program environment. Inside the box, type MLD and press enter. Rename the block appropriately and set the initialization value such as tag name. Also define the blower RPM range into the AO limit as 0 to 1440 RPM. Now add an output to the MLD block. Drag an output box, connect it to the OP pin. Then click on the three dot and assign the variable R1S1 AO01 inside rack 1. After that, type .mb bracket 3 and click OK. It means it is connected to the AO channel 3. Next, let's look at another method to add a block. Go to the variable declaration table and enter the tag name of the motor. In the data type, enter the block name, for example motor, and provide initialization values such as tag name and description. Press enter. Now drag this variable into the program environment. The motor block will be created automatically. Next, connect the required input. Connect IO runFP to the variable runFP of rack 1. Similarly, connect another input IO trip FP to the variable M101 underscore trip. Connect cycle time to the fast loop cycle time from the advanced library global system tag. Now connect the output. Drag a output box and connect it to the IO command to the variable M101 CMD in rack 1. Finally, right click on the block and select remove unused pins for better structuring. Now let's configure the pump control. Here we will use a VFD control block with PID functionality to maintain the desired flow rate. Drag a box into the program and click on the three dot, navigate to advanced VFD control. Then click OK. Rename the block appropriately and press enter. Now configure the initialization values. Set PV high flow limit to 83. Enter the tag name and description. Set the unit of measurement to m³ per hour. Next, configure the tuning parameter. Set P is equal to 1. Set T is equal to 1. Set the output unit to percentage. Then expand the MFR and assign the motor tag name and description. Now connect the input. Drag an input box and connect it to the IO trip FB of VFD and connect it to the VFD underscore trip of rack 1. Similarly, drag another input and connect it to the FW-RFB and connect it to the VFD run FB of rack 1. Similarly, connect cycle time with the fast loop cycle time of advanced library. Connect another input AIPV in 1. Select R1S1 AI01, then type .pv bracket 4. Now connect the output. Drag a output box and connect it to the FWD command to VFD FWD CMD of rack 1. Connect MB to the R1S1 AO01, then type .mb4. It means the output of VFD is connected to the channel number 4 of AO. Finally, remove unused pins and organize the block appropriately. Once everything is configured, generate the code and log into the device. Now let's move to the SCADA Visualization. From the Visualization toolbox, search for BLMLD, drag it and place it near the blower. Connect it to the reference BL101. Search for BL motor, drag it into the blower, set pump underscore motor is equal to true and link tag motor FP to M101 from the fast loop. Similarly for the pump, search for BL VFD, drag a VFD block onto the screen, set Visu index is equal to 4 to define the pump direction equal to 1. In tag VFD control, select FIC102 from the fast loop. This configuration allows the operator to monitor and control both systems directly from the SCADA. Now generate the code and log into the device. Let's test the system behavior. For the blower, click on the motor icon to open the faceplate. Press Start button. Now enter a value in BL101 block. The blower will start running at the set speed. For the pump, click on the VFD motor icon and press Start. Now click on the FIC102 to open its faceplate. Switch the mode to manual, then enter a value in MV to set the output percentage, for example 10, 20 or 80. You will observe that the tank level start decreasing as flow is directed toward the packaging plant. This demonstrates how the VFD adjusts operation based on control input, combining both manual and process driven control. In the next module, we will explore advanced interlock and safety controls to ensure reliable and secure plant operation. See you in the next episode of SAKSHAM based control series. Thank you.